Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, December 9th. So, what's going on? We're looking at forexfactory.com for the news. And you can see that we had some news items. 6 a.m. We had the U.S. NFIB Small Business Index came in better than expected at 99 versus 98.4. That's a good thing. 8:15, we had ADP Weekly Employment Change 4.8, and there was no guesstimate or forecast. It's better than the previous, which was minus 13.5. We also have September data coming out sometime between 9:15 and 10 a.m. The JOLTS job openings for September. Again, old data. Then we have at 10 a.m. we have the new data, which I assume is October JOLTS job openings. It's estimated to be at 7.14 million. We also have the CB leading indicator, our index month over month, also at 10 a.m. At 1:01 p.m., we have a 10-year bond auction, and that is really it for the day during the regular market hours. Moving on. Looking at the daily chart, you can see this really looks like it's rounding out. But I think the one thing we have to be very careful about is the band that is now forming, we could call it the flag of the bull flag here. This action here, this is basically the market gaining power, gaining speed, gaining energy to then break one direction or the other. And the longer this goes, the more violent the break will be, either to the upside or to the downside. And you can also see that, go ahead and put on here, this is the flag right there. Okay, so there's the flag pole, there's the flag itself. And bull flags normally break to the upside in a bull market. We're currently above all of the moving averages. We're above the trend lines. We are in a sideways action in the short run. Medium term, I would say we're slightly down. Long term, we are up. So there you have it. Again, volume, just pathetic. Really, really ugly looking volume for December. Moving on, looking at the intraday inventory. So we had down price action yesterday and up, substantially up inventory. Again, this screams buy the dip, folks. How long these people can continue to buy the dip, I don't know. But man, I worry that there are such a large contingency of folks who are buying on the dip that when they end up exiting, there's going to be nowhere but a violent move to the downside as everyone runs for the door and can't get through all at once. So, yeah, this is very disconcerting to me. That being said, the buy the dip folks have been making money for a long time, and whether they continue to remains to be seen. Moving on, looking at the overnight action, approximately 23 points. That is right at average. Nothing to write home about there. Where do we have support and resistance? We have resistance on the top side, a big confluence band here around 68.65, 68.71, 68.80. Of course, I've been talking about 6,900 for a while. See, we're kind of in this 100-point range, 6,900 to 6,800. We can break either one of those. We'll probably get some action to the down or to the upside. 68.40 support, a little bit of confluence around 68.36. 68.27, and of course 68.12-ish and the 6,800 number for support. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 52.4, 52.4. Slight bias to the upside from the historics from the Stock Traders Almanac. There you have it. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.